Assigning story points in Jira is crucial for estimating the effort required to complete a user's story or task. Here's how to assign story points. Log into Jira. Ensure you have the appropriate permissions to edit issues and assign story points. Navigate to your project. Access the project containing the user stories you want to estimate. Open the issue. Locate and click on the user story or task you want to assign story points to. This opens the detailed view of the issue. Locate the story points field. The story points field is typically found in the issue's details. This field may be labeled story points or estimate depending on your Jira configuration. Edit the story points. Click on the field next to story points or estimate to enter or modify the value. If the field is not visible, it may need to be added to your screen configuration or enabled by your Jira admin. Enter the value. Input the number of story points that represent the estimated effort required for the task. Story points are often used to estimate complexity or effort, and values are typically based on a relative scale. Save changes. Ensure to save the changes by clicking the update button or similar to apply the story points to the issue. Verify the update. Check that the story points are correctly reflected in the issue details and any associated boards or reports.